I just went to the mall and they had these glasses. I don't know if you can see them, but they are sparkly. So, hey, what do you guys think? I want to show you something. I have this vintage quilt that I bought in Paducah, and I'm trying to finish it. Now, I had to add all the squares on the end because it was just a big hexagon. And so I'm trying to make it square. So I added these on this side. Now the way I did that is I created myself a template with my 3D printer, and this is what it looks like. It's a 6-inch hex, and then it has these little cutouts so that I can mark the 1/4 inch so I can do the little Y seams. So it works out pretty good. I actually sewed this with the sewing machine. It was hand pieced with some really thick thread. It was kind of weird. And actually the sewing machine that I did, the part that I did on the sewing machine is nicer than the hand piecing for sure, but you can't really see it. But I had to take these blue hexagons off because they had them halfway around and then they didn't have enough to go all the way around. I just used them in the border on the corners. So I went to the fabric store and I bought some fabric. And this, of course, is going to be, I took a picture of this before I left. And, trying to match fabric up with the picture is, this was probably darker at one time. It's kind of funny. They're almost the exact same motif as this one. But I think this rust color will work. So after I get it all squared up, I'm going to put the rust color on as a border. And I bought this one too. It has like a little bit of rust and a little bit of green or something in there. And I don't know, maybe the lady suggested maybe I put this on let's see if I can get a closer look, on the border, and then maybe do another border like this. I don't know. I might not. I might do the opposite. I think actually the darker border is going to look better. I might not even use this. I only got 2 yards, so no big deal. I don't know how big this thing is. It's I don't know, maybe 60, 65. And then, so I just have to sew these corners. I have 2 more corners to do, and they're pretty easy. And then after I sew the corners, I'll square it off just like I have these squared off. So all of this will be squared off. And then I can put a border around it, and then I can quilt it. And I think it'll be pretty. And maybe I'll give it to my stepdaughter because she liked it. We'll see. So what do you guys think? Yeah, when I come across these vintage quilts, I always make myself a little Hexi template or something. This one was pretty easy, so thanks.